After having sorted out and pasted the resistors for easy BITX assembly on a couple of pieces of paper with markings, then today I started adding the resistors to the board. As you can see here, some of the resistors are 5-band resistors while most of them are 4-band resistors. This was the bit of the soldering iron which I was using. Thought of changing it because it had carried a bit of oxide coating, and that is the internal element seen. These are the various bits which had come with the soldering iron. I had already used a couple of them and both of them are full of oxide coating, so I am trying to use one of these new ones, spare in the Almira, and that is a connector, that is the internal heating element which gives heat to the soldering tip. I decided to try this one with a chisel-like shape, assembled it into the connector, and then I am processing fixing it firmly because the other one had become a little loose. Most often I remember that only when I have already heated the soldering iron, so that I won't be able to tighten it once again. This time I am tightening it to the maximum before trying to heat it up so that it will not get loose again.